Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Mary Jane and this is
Angela. Geneva.
And today we're going to cover fruits in Tongan language. So, we're going to start with the girls' favorite fruits. What is your favorite fruit, Geneva?
Grapes.
Grapes. Awesome. Angela, what is your favorite fruits?
My favorite fruit is papaya.
Perfect. Okay, so Geneva's favorite fruits is grapes. Grapes in Tongan is called kalepi.
Galepi.
Kalepi.
Galepi.
What is it, Neva?
Galepi.
Good job. And papaya in Tongan is called lesi.
Lassi.
Lesi.
Lassi.
Good job. And mommy's favorite fruit is mango. I love mango. So mango in Tongan is called mango.
Mango.
What is it?
Mango.
Good job. What is it, Neva?
Mango.
Good job. All right. Other fruits that you guys love to eat. We have watermelon. Watermelon in Tongan is called meleni.
Meleni.
Meleni. Meleni.
Meleni.
The other fruits that we have orange. Orange is called molly.
Molly.
What is it?
Molly.
Good job. The other one is bananas. Bananas is called siaine.
Siaine.
Good job. What is it?
Siaine.
Siaine. The other fruits that we have is apples. Apples is called apele.
Apele.
What is it?
Apele.
Good job. What other fruits do we have, girls?
We have, I think, what about this coconut water?
Ooh, we can do coconut.
Coconut.
The other fruits we have is coconut is a fruit to us. Coconut is called niu.
New.
Niu.
New.
Good job. Any other fruits?
I think I think not too long ago we had pears.
Ooh, pears is just pear.
Bear.
Pear.
Bear.
All right. Anything else? Anything else, Geneva? Any of the fruits that you guys like that you guys want to learn?
Remember we had plums.
Plums. I don't know if we have plums in Tongan. What about Neva? Neva, anything that you know? Any fruits you know?
Ooh, so it could be any?
Any fruits?
Oh.
Ooh, that's a good one. Lemon in Tongan is called lemani. What is it?
Lemani.
Say it over here. What is it, Neva?
Lemani.
Lemani.
I think it's
Lemani. Say it.
lemani.
What is it, Angela?
Lemani.
Awesome. What else?
Oh, I have one. Strawberry.
Ooh, strawberries. I don't know if we have strawberries in Tongan. It's probably called strawberries.
Strawberry.
Anything else? Any other fruits?
Dragon fruit?
No, we don't have dragon fruit. Any other fruits, girls?
They say tomato is a fruit.
Not really. Anything else?
I know there's some others. Cherries.
Cherries. I don't know what cherry is in Tongan. It's just called seri.
Seri.
There you have it. That's how you say fruits in Tongan. And keep an eye out because we're actually going to test the girls. We're going to take them to the store. Whatever fruits they can name in Tongan, that's what we're going to buy for them. So until then, thank you guys for watching.
And make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. See you in our next video.
Bye. Ofatu.